Gently cleanse and tone your skin to prepare for the next step. Take a small amount of 𝐤 Power Retinol Intensive Repair Serum and Cream. Warm it between your fingertips. Gently massage the serum and cream into your skin, starting from the center of your face and working outward. Pay extra attention to areas where you notice fine lines, wrinkles, or dark spots. Remember to use this product only in the evening, as retinol can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. Discover the power of 𝐤 Power Retinol for radiant, youthful-looking skin. Follow this simple routine nightly for best results.